esave, the pioneering company in smart lighting solutions, is proud to present smart lighting for Tampines Park HDB estate. Our goal is to provide smart lighting that improves the ambient environment within the estate while achieving maximum energy savings. With esave's light-on-demand approach, the estate can achieve significant energy savings without compromising resident safety and well-being. Furthermore, esave smart lighting system with its multi-sensory devices is able to detect real-time light levels and provide lighting in the absence of sunlight. Access to real-time localized environmental information like PSI index and weather conditions are available for monitoring and data analytics. Residents can engage in their routine activities without any disruptions when the lights are in energy-saving mode. Together with esave, let's strive to build a better community environment for residents through lighting and with lighting.